Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can back up your chats on WhatsApp to your Google Drive. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on Google Drive right now. However, we won't be using this, or we won't be going through Google Drive. We're going to be going through WhatsApp itself. So let me just change my browser just for a second, since I have access to my WhatsApp through Opera. As you can see, this is just a chess Wikipedia page I was using. And as you can see, I have navigated to settings through WhatsApp here. This won't work on the PC for me, sadly. However, I will talk you through the steps after you get to this page. Now, as you can see, I'm in settings. You want to go into chats. And now on your mobile phones, you will have the option of backup or chat backup, whatever it is called. Let me just check on my phone. From here, once you go into chats through settings, you want to go down and scroll until you see chat backup, and then you want to click on that. That is going to be pretty much under archived chats if you have them available, which are themselves going to be under chat settings, which are, as you can see here. And you just tap chat backup, and you should already have your Google account verified, or you can select another one. It really doesn't matter. And then you can also manage Google storage from there, but all you have to do is click the green backup button, and then you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.